let's dive right into segment 1 and see how to best achieve the tasks there. So you find segment 1 by scrolling down here. And there it is, shipping value to the new governance world. If you click here on more, you can see each of the tasks of this first segment. If you click on that arrow key here, you will then find more details and a description for this first segment. So let's have a look at that. Every new era requires resources. We will focus on bridging value to the ecosystem of Q. Familiarize yourself with the Omni and ElkNet bridges that connect Q protocol to the EVM world. Let's fuel the ships and get ready. As you can assume, this segment will require you to bridge some assets. In fact, you can bridge 3 different amounts worth of assets. For 100 points, you would need to bridge $10 worth of assets on OmniBridge and ElkNet. To get an additional 200 points, you can bridge $50 worth of assets on OmniBridge and $50 worth of assets on ElkNet. The maximum you can get is 300 points for bridging $100 worth of assets. And there's a loophole here. If you directly bridge $100 worth of assets, you immediately get the points for the $50 worth of assets using the OmniBridge and the $10 worth of assets using the OmniBridge. So, as I want to get the maximum number of points, I will bridge $100 worth of assets. And what I will do, I will use the OmniBridge to bridge some assets from Ethereum mainnet to the Q blockchain, and then use the ElkNet bridge to bridge these assets back. And by doing this, I get the maximum amount of points. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you click on bridge at least $100 worth of assets using the OmniBridge here. And then there will open up another pop-up window. Okay. Well, let me close that first. I just want to show you my MetaMask at this point, because I set up a wallet for the Galaxy campaign. And as you can see, I have a bit of USDC in here. So this is also the asset that I'm going to bridge. And then I have some Ethereum for gas fees. Okay, now let's click again here. The pop-up window will open and you can see the same wallet address as I've shown you before. And you can also see that I'm connected to Ethereum mainnet. Now I said that I want to bridge USDC, so I select that here. And you can see right now the OmniBridge only supports Ethereum mainnet. In the future, there will likely be other chains, but as of now, you would need to bridge something from Ethereum mainnet. And the options you have are either DAI, wrapped ETH, or wrapped Bitcoin, but I will take USDC in that case. Okay. Now I want to get the maximum amount of points, so I will put in 100 here. And usually you would need to unlock that amount first. So this button would be black and you would click on it, and then MetaMask would pop up, would ask you to approve that and pay a bit of gas fees. And after you approve that, then this amount will be unlocked and you will be able to transfer the assets via the bridge. Unfortunately, I cannot show you these steps because I've already unlocked that. So I can directly transfer, I can directly bridge. And if I click here, I say, yes, please continue. My MetaMask will open up and I will click here on confirm. It seems to have worked as my USDC balance here decreased. Let's close that window here. And now I will check my MetaMask again. And look at my tokens. And yes, here I can see two things. First of all, my USDC balance decreased because they are now on Q mainnet. And my ETH balance also decreased to pay for the gas. Cool. That's step number 1. If you click here now on this refresh button, then Galaxy will verify whether you've actually completed that task. And this can take a couple of seconds, even sometimes up to a couple of minutes. So please be a bit patient here, but this will update eventually, okay? All right, cool. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you how to bridge these assets back using the ElkNet bridge to receive more points.